Hello and welcome to our how to do video, how to create a dashboard for your Ewon Flexy device and how to load it to that Ewon Flexy device so that you can use it. I will do this how to do video step by step so that you can follow every single step. The first step I need to do an Ewon backup, a backup of my Ewon Flexy device. Because I'm not connected to an Ewon locally, I have to use my eCatcher software and my Talk to M account to connect to an Ewon remotely. As soon as I'm connected, I'm opening eBody and I just select my Ewon and I click on backup and I just create a simple backup. I don't have to do any special, just create a backup. As soon as the backup is created, I can close my eBody tool because I don't need it anymore. I will minimize my eCatcher tool because I do not need it right now. Next step I do is I open my browser and type in the address designer.visualys.net and I will create a new dashboard. So first, how would you like to name your project? I will call it Demo and I click on Start, and what you will see now, you will get a 6-digit dashboard code which can be used to transfer it to your colleagues, your clients, your friends, or just to reopen it. With this dashboard code, you always can reopen the dashboard you already created. Okay, let's start. The first step I need to do is I switch to the developer mode and I click to transfer. As soon as I'm in the transfer window, I just take my Ewon backup and import it via drag and drop to my designer. Now you see I try to import 26 tags, but sometimes I don't need all these tags, so I can say no, I don't want to have these 4, for example, or I just want to have all of them. So you are allowed to choose which one you want to have. So just click on import and that's it. So the next step is you need to fill your dashboard with widgets. I will speed it up a little bit, but you can follow it, of course. By the way, here's a notice. We are working with random values in this designer because the designer is not connected to your hardware directly. As soon as you load your dashboard files to an Ewon Flexy, then you will see your real live data. Okay, now you designed your dashboard with your widgets. In the free version, you are able to put up to 4 widgets in one dashboard. Right now, we are just using 3, and the next step is I will generate the dashboard now for using it on my Ewon Flexy. So next step is click on Generate and follow the steps you will see now. Very important is that you type in the right serial number. Your dashboard will be bounded to the serial number of your Ewon Flexy hardware, so it is not possible to copy one dashboard from one Ewon to another Ewon. You always have to bound it to a serial number. If you don't know your serial number, just go back to your eCatcher software or also the eBody software and you will see your serial number of Ewon. Just copy it and type it into the field inside the designer. And now you'll see that Ewon Flexy 205 is dashboard ready. So click the next step, type in your name, your company, and your email address. And by the way, the email address is very important. Don't use a wrong email address because you will get a confirmation email which you have to confirm. At the end, you just have to check the privacy policy agreements and click on Generate a Dashboard. Now it will take up to 60 seconds to create your first dashboard for your Ewon Flexy. So once the dashboard is created, you will see information that you will receive a confirmation email. So please open your inbox and you will see there will be an email from designer which named that your dashboard has been generated successfully. So you just need to click on confirm email address, a new window will open, and it will say the email address was successfully confirmed. So please close that window, minimize your email tool, and now you see that the designer is saying your dashboard is ready to use. So please download your dashboard and click just on download. You will see there will be a dashboard file downloaded, and I just put the dashboard file on my desktop. And now the next thing you have to do is minimize your browser so it's easier to see what I do. Unzip your zip file, just with the standard tools Windows is offering us. Now you will get an open folder which is called dashboard with just 5 files inside. Next step is open your Windows Explorer, have a look for your IP address of your Ewon. You can copy it, by the way. Sorry. Type in the address line FTP // and the IP address of your Ewon Flexy. Hit enter and type in your credentials, and you will see, mostly in the window behind the main window, there is a user folder, and the only thing you have to do now is taking the dashboard folder and copy it to the user folder. That's it. Once the folder is copied to your Ewon, close this window to stop the FTP connection. And now just open a new tab. So what you need to do now is open a new tab, type in your IP address of your Ewon, write user, the folder dashboard, hit enter, and you will be asked for your user account, hit enter, and you will see directly your new dashboard. By the way, you could also open M2 Web, type in your account name, your username, and your password. And in the connected Ewons, I created my shortcut for the VISUALYS KPI dashboard. I just click on it, and you will see I can directly access my dashboard via M2 Web. That's it. Congratulations for your first dashboard.